Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to check your Google account security health. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to Google. I'm going to click on here. Just click your right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on your Google account. Then select Google account. Then from the home page right here, simply scroll down and then click on here. So you'll be taken to this particular page. If you take note of any red sign right here, it simply means that your Google account is at risk and you can be hacked at any point in time. So what you need to do is to review and make sure everything turns on green, just like so. And with this, your Google account health is very much secure and you cannot get hacked on your Google account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check your Google account security health and be sure that your account is very much safe. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Google topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.